Good evening, dear student. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is place value chart. In maths, place value describes the position or a place of a digit in a number. There are two types we can describe the place value with the help of two types, that is Indian place value chart and another one is international place value chart. We are using the Indian place value chart. Now see, these are the periods: ones, thousand, lakh and crore. The first period is divided into three parts, and after that, each period is divided into two parts. See, the first period ones, tens, hundred. Here, thousand is divided into two parts, thousand and 10,000. Then lakh is again two parts, lakh, 10 lakh, crore again two parts. Okay. Now see, in 1 lakh, see where is lakh? 1 lakh. How many thousands are there? So if you move to the thousands of one, two, that means two. So right here, 20. That means 100,000. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Or we can say another way, how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? It means if you which number you have to multiply in thousands, so you get 1 lakh. That means again see, here is 30, so count 1, 2 and 3. Later, how many zeros are left? 1, 2. So it is 100. If you multiply 100 here, see, 1 2 3 4 5. So here also 1 2 3 4 5. That means 100,000 max 1 lakh. Okay. Now see here. In 1 crore, how many tens are there? So where is crore? Here. So, and tens here. So now count 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 60. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now count. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That means 10 lakh make 1 crore. Or another way, how many tens make 1 crore? So 10, here we see 10 lakh. So 10, 1, 2, 3. It is 10 lakh make 1 crore. See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh make 1 crore. Okay, student. Now, next. Now, this is our Indian place value chart. Here, ones, thousand, lakh, crore. Now, we discuss this one. Now, the another one is international place value chart. Now see, what is the difference between both of these, Indian and international? See, here once period and here also once period. Here once period divided into three part, once, tens, hundred. Here also once, tens, hundred. But see the thousand period. Here is thousand period is divided into only two parts in Indian place value chart. But in international place value chart, thousand period is divided into three part, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. And the lake is divided into lake, 10 lakh. But after thousand period, here million period will be there, and again it will divide into three part: million, 10 million, 100 million. Now see, what is the difference between both these two? So from the above table, both observe the both the table. From we observe that in international system, we start grouping the number. We start grouping the number from right in a group of three called period. These are this group of three, one period, group of three, again one period, group of three, again one period. Now, in Indian system, we see that the we start grouping the number from right, again here from right, uh, in a group of three. First, we group of three, and further in group of two. First group is divided. This first period is divided into three part, and later again further it will divide into group of two. Okay, this is the main difference. So suppose this, right, I write one number here, here also same number. If we have to mark here this number in international system and here this number with the help of Indian system, so how can we mark? That means we can separate it with the help of comma. The difference is that the number digits are separated by comma in this Indian system. Here Indian system, first three period, then comma. After, in the further, it will be group in the group of two and two. Here in the group of three, again three. Now see. Now suppose you want to write this number in international system and Indian system. So how can you write? So now, according to international system, first you group the number. Yes, first this group, then this. Now this is the period of once, this is thousand and this is million. So 70 75 75 million 75 million 500 568 568 568,000 568,743 743. Okay, student. 75,568,743 and 1,568,743. Now in Indian system, see again the first in a group of three, this first period, after in the group of two, here and here. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 7 crore 55 lakh 55 lakh 68 68,000 743 743. Okay, student. Same number we have to write in this one in international system and this one in Indian system. Now we start exercise 1.8. Write the following numbers in the international place value chart and their number name. Now place value chart you have to draw in your copy. Now we see here number name. See in the international place value chart. So in the group of three, now see ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000. That is 832,432. Here also 569. This is a period of thousand. So 569,432. See here in the group of three. So see ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million. So 6,234,310. Here again group of 3. So ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. So 56,003,200. Again see here. So 58,541,123. Now see Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Here the first period, that is once period, both is same. Here once period divided into three part, here also three part, but here 1000 period is divided into two part, and in international place value chart 1000 period is divided into three part. Now see one thing, in ones one is here, here also 1, 10, here also 10, 100, 100 also, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 4 zeros are there, here also 4 zeros, that means 10,000. Here lakh 5 zeros are there, here also 3 and 2 5. Or we can say 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Both is same, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Or we can say 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Here also 110 lakh is equal to 1 million, or 1 million is equal to 110 lakh. 1 crore is equal to 10 million, because here also 7 zeros, here also 7 zero. 10 crore is equal to 100 million, here 8 zero, here also 8 zero. Now see the first question. How many thousand make a lakh? Now see from the chart. Thousand is here and lakh is here. In thousand, 3 zeros, and here 5 zero. Now after thousand count 1, 2. How many thousand make a lakh? 1, 2. That means 2 0. So now from here you see 1000. In 1000, which number you multiply, so you get 1 lakh. That means here 3 zeros are there and here 5 zeros. So you have to multiply in 1000, that is 100. So our answer is from the flowchart also we got 100. Now here, how many 10 make a lakh? So lakh is here. Now how many 10 make a lakh? So in 10, which number we have to multiply, so we get lakh. So 1 is 0 is here. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 10,000. If you multiply 10,000 in 10, you got 1 lakh. Now let us see from chart also. Tens is here, lakh is here. Now count after 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 10,000. Now next question. How many lakhs make a crore? Where is lakh? Lakh is here and crore is here. So 1, 2. That is 100. How many lakh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lakh? In crore, how many zeros are there? 3 and 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It means in crore how many? 7 zeros are there. So 5 is here and now 100. If you multiply 100, you got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or here also you check from flowchart. Lake is here and color is here. 1, 2. It is 100. Okay, student. Indian place value chart and international place value chart. How many lakh make a million? Lakh is here and million is here. Now the lakh and 100,000 is same both. Now after 100,000, if you move here, it now million will be there. So we can say 10 100,000 make a million. That means 1 million is equal to 10 100,000. Or we can say 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Or we can say 10 lakh make a million. Confusion? Now see, if you move here, so after the lakh and this 100,000 is same, the value of both is same, so move here. So after this million will be here. That means 10, that means 10. Now see how many lakh. Now first write lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. How many lakh make million? You know, in million, 6 zero are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in lakh, 5 zero. So in lakh, which number we have multiplied? So we get million. That means 10. So our answer is 10. So 10 lakh make a million. Now how many million make a crore? Million is here. Now million and 10 lakh both is same. Now crore is here. So after million, this, that means 10. That means 10. 10 million make a crore. Or we can say 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Now 10. Again check. First, how many million? Now in million, you know how many zeros are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in million, which number you multiply? So you get crore. So in crore, how many? 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 6 and here is 7. So you know you have to multiply 10. So we get that answer is 10. So 1 million is equal to, and that means 1 crore is equal to 10 million, and 10 million make a crore. 10 million make a crore. Now the next one. How many hundreds make a lakh? Where is 100? 100 is here and lakh, sorry, 100 is here and lakh is here. See, lakh and 100,000 both is same and 100 is here. So 1, 2, 3. That means 100 is here and lakh is here. That means 1000. So answer is, from the chart we get 1000. Now see how many 100. So 100, in 100 which number we multiply? So we get lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. Now 100 is there. Now see which number? 1000. Okay student, understand? Now next, see, write the following number. 1 less than 1000. That means you have to subtract 1 from the 1000. 1000 minus 1. So you get 999. 1 less than 1 lakh. 1 lakh is here. Now subtract 1 from here. So you got 9 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 99,999. Now next. 1 less than 10 lakh. So subtract. No. 1 less than 1 lakh first. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 99,999 same. Now 1 less than 10 lakh. So 10 lakh you have to write, then subtract 1 from. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So uh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 9 lakh 99,999. It is in Indian system. If you read this in international system, so ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. That means 999,999. Okay, student. Now next, how many thousands are there in? So you know 1000, that means 30. So you leave the last three, that means starting from the right, last three digit, leave this 1 2 3. Now remaining, that is 34,000. 34,000. Here again leave 1, 2, 3. So answer is 349,000. 349,000. Again leave this 1, 2, 3. Now answer is 98,000. Okay, student. Now next, how many legs are there in? So you know one leg five, in one leg five zeros are there. So leave the starting from right hand side 50. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the remaining digits is number is 56. So 56 leg. Again you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 4 leg. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 82 lakh. Okay, student. Now next, how many 10,000 are there in? Now see, in 10,000 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. So leave the 4 zero starting from, yes, from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining number is 13. So 13 10,000s are there in this number. Now again for 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 1, 10,000. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, sorry, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 10, 10,000. 10, 10,000. Now see, this one is interesting. Now see this number. Here, you know, in 10,000, 4 zeros are there. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. No number is there remaining. So the answer is 0, 10,000. Okay, student. Understand? Hope you understand. Okay.